Setting right here. See this one? So you got to unscrew this one first before the installation. Oh wow. Right now anymore, and these ones are gonna use. Okay? Okay, where's the place right here? Okay, see the one? And two. There are two types of those, the long ones and the short ones. Don't forget to use the long ones. Don't make a mistake, all right? Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, and the second one. Bentar, Samuel.
Okay.
Okay. And second. Okay. Okay, what's up?
Have fun.
All right, as for the seat place right here, here's this mount. You have to take it off, all right? And then you put it on. And once you got your bolts and nuts tightened, the next thing is this lever right here. Can you see that? We've got to press it in and put our seat, and here it's